Hi, my name is Usman, and in today's video training of Python we will be looking at a concept of Python module. So what is a module? Consider a module to be the same as a code library, a file containing a set of functions you want to include in your application is a module. Okay, let's see how to create a module. To create a module, just save the code you want in a file with the file extension .py. Example, save the code in a file named mymodule.py and define a function called greeting which takes a parameter name and print hello name on the console. So this is how you can create a simple module in Python. And once you have created that module, you can use that module in any other Python file. So what you can do is you can use the import statement. Import the module named mymodule and call the greeting function. So the simple import implementation will be import mymodule and then call mymodule.greeting and pass the parameter name as Jonathan. When using a function from a module, use the syntax module name dot function name. Let's see this in action. Let's go back to PyCharm. So I have created two Python files. One is named mymodule.py and one is myprogram.py. So let's first come to mymodule.py. Let's create a function called greeting which accepts a parameter name, and let's print this hi and let's concat the variable name, and that's it for the module that we have created. Save this file. Now go back to myprogram.py and now let's import my module and let's print my module dot greeting and let's pass, let's say, John Doe to that module function. Now let's run the program. You can see, sorry, I forgot to select the program that we are using. So my program, you can see we have got hi John Doe on the console. So basically we have called the module function that is greeting and passed in John Doe as a parameter to that function, and this is a very basic and simple example of how to create a module and use that module in your program. Okay, let's see variables in module. The module can contain functions as already described, but also variables of all types, arrays, dictionaries, objects, etc. Example is save this code in the file mymodule.py. So let's create a person object in mymodule.py. Let's go back to our PyCharm, go back to my module. Let's create the object person and say name, we can say John, and age, okay, let's say 30, and let's say gender, we can say male. Let's save the module. So let's save this program and now module, and let's go to our program and let's call this object from my module and run the program. You can see we have got the contents of the object on the console which was defined in the my module. Okay, let's see naming a module. You can name the module file whatever you like, but it must have the file extension .py. Renaming a module. You can create an alias when you import a module by using the as keyword. Example is create an alias for my module called mx. Import my module as mx. A is equal to mx.person age and print a. Let's see this in action. Okay, let's go to our program and let's use an alias. Import my module as mx and place this with mx and run the program. You see we have the same output on the console. What if we want to just print the age, the person? Let's run the program. You see we have got 30 on the console. So we can use aliases instead of the whole module name. Python also have built-in modules. There are several built-in modules in Python which you can import whenever you like. Example is import and use the platform module. Import platform x is equal to platform.system print x. Let's see this in action. Okay, let's clear this up. Import platform. Okay, and x is equal to platform.system and let's print x. Let's see what happens. Okay, let's run the program and you can see we have got Linux on the console output, which is the operating system I am using. The second important and interesting function is the directory function. There is a built-in function to list all the function names or variable names in a module. The directory function lists all the defined names belonging to the platform module. So let's see this in action. Import platform and x is equal to directory and pass in the module name. Let's print x. Save this file. Okay, let's run it. You can see we have got all the variables and function names that are defined in the platform module. That is a built-in module in Python. So the other thing is you can also list down the function and variables of your own custom module. This doesn't have to be a built-in Python module. So let's run this program. Okay, built-in and my module. Okay, my function. Save this, and let's run. You see we have got person on the console, which is an object in our custom module, and same is my function, that is our function in our custom module. So the directory function has listed them all. Don't worry about these ones because these are the default functions or variables, you can say, that are defined, that are part of all modules. So don't worry about these. Okay, you can choose to import only parts from a module by using the from keyword. For example, the module named my module has one function and one dictionary, greeting function and person dictionary, greeting function and person dictionary. So let's say we want to import only the person dictionary from the module. So you can say from my module import person1. Let's see this in action. Let's go to our program. Let's go to my module. So we have a function myfunc and we have a dictionary called person. Let's say we only want to import dictionary, that is person, from my module. So in our program we will say from my module import person and save this program. Okay, first of all you need to say import my module, and then you say from my module import person. You can print the contents of person from my module. So that's it for this video training in Python. If you liked this video, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you next time with a new topic in Python. Till then, take care.